What's up, guys? I am back with another YouTube video. Don't worry, it's just a
Ako yung pinakahuling natapos.
init. It's June 12 and it's currently 10:44 p.m. and I'm starting to pack pa lang. Tonight, I had no time to actually prepare for this trip kasi nga may pasok ako sa work. So, ngayon pa lang ako nag-ayos ng gamit, ngayon pa lang ako nagpaayos ng everything, ngayon ko pa lang sineta lahat. So, ngayon, mag-aayos na lang ako ng bagahe para tomorrow dire-diretso na lang, mag-aayos na lang bago umalis papuntang airport. Okay, I'm kind of tired na and I'm just waiting for some clothes to be dry. So, I also got new earrings. There. Kaya ba today? There. Medyo patapos naman na ako dito sa maleta. So, I'm gonna fix up my backpack to make sure na hindi ko din may iwan yung passport ko. I haven't printed any document yet, which is bad. So, I have to... Anyways, I'm getting overwhelmed na, so I gotta go. Bye! See you tomorrow! Pagpapunta na kami ng airport. Let's see paano mag-play out ang lahat. So, see you tomorrow. Bye-ers! Hey guys, good morning. Time check, it's 6:70 and nag-aasikaso na kami. Yun lang. Get ready with me. Pwede naman kasi ipakita ng digital yun. Itinerary, sabi niyo, di ba?
Asan ba isang cellphone? Dito din pa. Pampag lang binili dito.
Time for ya in the shade couture. Hey guys! Nandito na kami sa Naiya. Pa yung flight namin. Boarding kami ng 12 p.m. so still have time to eat. He's using my camera, the Action 5 Pro. Nakapila na kami for check-ins. Rent my camera, guys. It's available in Archives in Motion. We are in TikTok, IG, and FB. Guys, we just passed immigration. Para kung nanginginig habang kinukuha ko yung printed na booking confirmation ng ticket namin. Ako na yung pinakamatagal, ako yung pinakahuling natapos. So, grabe ang nervous. We're now boarding. Thank you. Now. Me so happy. Hey guys, time check. It's 4:13 in the afternoon and we are about to land. Nung nag-announce yung pilot, I think we're gonna be landing by 4:30 p.m. Grabe, patulog-tulog lang kami dito sa flight. We're here na. Nakalabas na kami ng airport. Pinagsabihan kami dahil nag-record kami sa loob ng airport. Bawal pala yun. Dapat after ng arrival pa pala. Good morning! It is currently 11:53 p.m. Guys, tirik ang araw, but quick fit check. You like? You like? I had my hair curled. Nag-braids lang ako dito para di ako mahirapan sa bangs ko. Like, kakahawi ng hair, but yeah. I'll do a fit check later, pero ang init. We're here na sa lobby and we're just waiting for the shuttle to arrive. It's gonna be here by 12:30, I think. And it's so hot, guys. Bad move to move out or to go out ng tanghaling tapat. Sobrang init. I think hindi ko alam kung kasing init nyo sa Pinas. Nakalimutan ko na yung Pinas. I'm sorry.
Pero kantas na.
Okay, we're here na inside Hawker and buti na lang nakahanap na kami ng upuan. We're just waiting for yung mga kasama namin na maka-order na ng food para maka-order kami ng food kasi pag umalis kami lahat, mawawala yung table namin. Kaya kain na tayo. Upo muna tayo dito para lahat maka-order.
For two of you. Mas may isa na kayo ng for overall, 405. Tapos may charge siya na 8 pesos. So, 430 na yun yan.
9.80 plus 7.80.
Baka 840 ka. 840
Pesos?
siya. Si Mari, 6.3. Naka 300 si Mari. Ikaw, 7.
We're here in Tampines Mall, inside Courts. And we're trying to look for adapters. Ang mahal, guys. Kasi hindi kami makapag-charge kasi hindi compatible yung mga mga charger namin sa socket nila. So, we're looking for adapters right now.
Ganito ba yun?
Ganyan yun.
So, mag-pitch in tayo lahat.
Tingnan mo natin yung sabuhin natin.
Pwede natin ito isakay.
Okay, this is an unplanned stop. Akala nyo lang sa US may ganyan, no? Oh, low chairs.
One, two, three. Wait lang. Ten, 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 ten. Lang. Bakit bilis? Stop lang. Oh, sige, ganyan na lang kayo. Bilis, ganun na.
Stop naman. I-stop naman kasi talaga.
Yana.
Wait lang.
Ito yung honey. Hindi, ito pala yung barbecue.
Ah, yung barbecue.
Barbecue.
Barbecue, Louisiana.
Hindi, ano yung sa'yo, Drew? Honey?
Hot honey.
Hot honey.
Ah, hot honey.
Ito talaga yung ito yung hot honey de Lucia.
Wala nga tayong Louisiana.
Ayaw nga pala.
Barbecue yung isa.
No,
Ito
hindi.
barbecue.
Ito yung sa inyo. Sa inyo yan. Ito sa
Hindi ko alam din. Tama ka ng pin.
Tatlo-tatlo yung kame, no?
Hindi lang sila ni tita. Ano oras yung next labas?
Ano mo? 3:30 daw yung sasakyan nila eh.
Tanamera?
Tote Marie. Tenamera.
So, 3:30 sila. Alas 4
I think ito
next.
yung maanghang.
Sabi 30 minutes.
Okay, ganito muna tayong position kasi hindi nyo ako makita sa gilid. But we are out again. Nandito kami sa resort and pabalik na kami dun sa lobby for the shuttle ng 6:30. We have to hurry up kasi very on time yung shuttle na yun. We are on our way to Gardens by the Bay. Grabe yung experience namin kanina. Kasi, di ba, nagpunta kami ng Tampines Mall kasi nagtingin kami ng something techie-techie kasi kailangan nga namin bumili ng they call this adapter. Medyo marami pa kami pinuntahan bago kami actually nakabili ng extension na pasok sa or like compatible sa mga outlets dito. Wow, si Hubad. But yun nga, nagyaya mag-wingstop tong kapatid ko. Almost 4 p.m. na kami natapos. Eh, yung shuttle na sinusundan namin is 4 p.m. So, I think around 57, nasa train station pa kami. Pero papunta naman na dun sa waiting sa bus stop ng Tanamera. But, pagdating namin ng 4 p.m., umabot kami ng 4 p.m. guys. Para sa shuttle na yun. But after that, sumakay agad kami ng bus. It was the wrong bus. So, yung bus na nasakyan namin, napunta kami sa maling lugar ba? So yun, pag bumalik kami nakababa kami ng Bedok station. Yeah, gamit yung bus. Sumakay ulit kami ng train station from Bedok to Tanamera. And then, naghintay kami for 45 minutes para lang makasakay dun sa shuttle. Train station again.
Tignan mo ito mo.
Dito yung train.
Sa taas. Dali. We're on our way home. Kapag-dinner na kami sa loob ng Gardens by the Bay. Meron pang nangyaring aberya. Tapos na natin dito. Bye-bye! Hey guys, good morning. Time check, it's currently 12:06. And nakapag-breakfast na kami kanina but hold my hand. Okay. Papunta na ulit kami sa lobby para ma-pick up ng shuttle and we will be having lunch. Actually, hindi pa naka-decide kung saan kami kakain. We're just waiting for the bus to arrive. Sobrang init. Alam niyo, pag pupunta kayo ng Singapore, magdala talaga kayo ng fan or like pamaypay. Kasi yung init dito, it's, I don't even understand. Parang kasing init niya sa Pinas, pero it's a different type of init. I don't know. Paalis na kami. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin decided kung saan kami magla-lunch. So, Tanamera Station. Go time on time. Dito ba dapat?
Change at this station for the downtown line. Tampines.
Let's eat. I have roasted chicken, rice with egg and some vegetables, and it also has soup. Oh my God, nakalabo pala ang ano.
I didn't expect it to be this much.
You like it? It's hot?
I felt crisis when the LED.
Blow mo lang.
The whole body started to feel very uncomfortable. Then I ate back to 71, then it felt okay. Back
Meron din silang repolyo. Iced lemon tea. Grabe, ang ganda ng footage. So nice.
Welcome to my We are at Kopitiam and we're planning, I don't know, like, pero kumain ako sa Wingstop. I ordered Pango Habanero and hot honey roll. And it's so good! Grabe. Ang sarap! Bagong sarap. Saan na tayo? Ay! Ayaw ko makita. Saan tayo? Meron mo.
We are out again. Bibili kami ng ice cream. Sushi. This is the ice cream store.
2 pesos lang.
Mari, are you ready for your ice cream? Can I taste?
Getting my ice cream.
Naghihintay na lang kami sa kasama namin, but we're here at the train station. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Sarap talaga pag malamig. We're going to eat sushi.
Una kaya talaga yan?
Hindi kayo nakapag-mustafa.
Hindi bukas.
Bukas na lang.
Sama ka na.
Masarap.
Ako lang.
Ano ba yan?
Sushi.
Lahat to luto. Luto.
Ilaw.
Wala.
It's 7 p.m. 7:36 to be exact. We're on our way to the pool. Hello, Mr. Penguin. Yun ang video natin.
Hindi. Uy! Nagdada po. Hoy, malay niya, mas. Oh!
Hey guys, time check. It's currently 10 p.m. exactly. And nandito na lang ako sa may sala dito sa bungalow namin para mag-cool down na, I don't know. Kakatapos lang namin mag-bowling. Ito ang saya. Naka-strike ako kanina. Like, ano lang yun, accidental lang yun. Anyways, so I just wanted to create this para ma-wrap up ko na tong araw na to. Sobrang, ano lang, it was pretty productive, I would say. Saan ba kami napunta kanina? Nag-lunch pala kami sa Tampines pa. Kalimutan natin. Anyways, birthday celebration talaga to ng mami ko, ng lola namin. Her 70th birthday. Kaya medyo, hindi kami masyadong nagsilabas kasi nga dito sa bahay or dito sa bungalows namin gaganapin yung catering. So, hindi kami masyadong nagtagal sa paggagala, which is tomorrow pa. So, ngayon, I'm just eating. Kumuha ako ng fried rice and some beef with broccoli, something na food na natira kanina sa catering. And then, I have my Coke. Yes, it's an addiction. Anyways, yun nga. I just wanted to wrap this up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good night.